It's going to be a different style video than normal. This one's just going to be an overhead shot of the Neato D8 with the pickup test in my testing room, where I put down the 7.6 ounces of debris and see how much it can pick up. But that's not going to matter in this video, and you will see why very soon. So I sent this guy out to do its job, because as most of you probably seen, I ran this guy upstairs a few days ago, and it actually did an outstanding job with the cleanup after it got that update. So I thought, let me go ahead and bring it down in the testing room, thinking everything's going to go perfectly fine, and well, it didn't. So I'm going to try to speed this up a little bit for you guys. All right, well, there you have it. I don't know why, but it almost seems like the update did nothing for my testing room. You've seen a lot of robots down here and do a perfectly fine job, so I have no clue why it struggles down here. It simply cannot do this room for whatever reason. Plenty of other lighter-based robots can do it. You just saw this guy work upstairs in my normal floor perfectly fine, and it actually did an outstanding job, so I just don't understand why it will not clean this room. I did reset the map as if it's a new room, and it just fails. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did, smash that like button, consider subscribing, and I would really, really appreciate it. Have an awesome day. See ya.